Hello, welcome back again. My name is Reading Gallery, and in today's video, I will do some commentary about my own YouTube video titled Elizabeth Taylor Quotes Compilation. She is an amazing star in 50s. She married 7 times, but anyway, she said that if she is in love, she is married. Before we continue, please support me by subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram reading_gallery. Okay, quote number 1: big girls need big diamonds. Quote number 2: I have always admit that I am ruled by my passions. Okay, if you are new here, welcome, and if you are long-time followers or long-time subscribers, you probably realize that this video already released in August 15, but due to YouTube monetizing policy, I must add some commentaries on it. So this video is actually not meant to do it out loud, read it out loud, but reading it inside your head or something while there is music on it a little bit, so to speak. So I don't read all of the quotes here, even though all the quotes here are very important, each of them, but I will do highlight some of the quotes that I think is very important to you. So you cry, you curse, then you go about the business of living. That's how I've done it. There is no other way. Elizabeth Taylor. Okay, as far as I dig up into her personality and her doing in business and in life, Elizabeth Taylor is one of the most acclaimed actress all the time, and I think she get a place in AFI, American Film Institute, the best actress all the time, and she's also memorable playing Cleopatra. She married 7 times and she got Academy Award. There is another quote: so much to do, so little done. Hey, I'm not done. So much to do, so little done, such things to be. Elizabeth Taylor. I feel very adventurous. There are so many doors to be open, and I'm not afraid to look behind them. Elizabeth Taylor. As far as I can dig in, she's kind of very discoverous person, you know. She will try to be professional in everything she's done, and she's very lucky with her beautiful face and beautiful eyes color. You know, if you know her, she's very noticeable with violet eye color, and it says that she sometimes disagree with what she's done, but she must done it for life, so she's done it. So sometimes she felt like what inner her doesn't really reflect in her life. I don't pretend to be an ordinary housewife. Yes, because she is acclaimed actress. She have career, she have a good job. She's not yet ordinary housewife. Not yet. No longer. Sorry. English is not my native language. Everything makes me nervous except making film. You know, I think Elizabeth is one of very little people who really knows what she's doing in her life and what is her specialize in her life and embrace what her specialize. And one of her specialize, I think, is about acting and making movie. I Sweat Real Sweat and I Shake Real Shakes by Elizabeth Taylor. She is believed to be a very hardworking people. Marriage is a great institution, Elizabeth Taylor, and she is one of very few, I think, especially from now, very few actors who still believe about marriage, and if you love me, you should marry me. That's why she married several times, 7 times, and maybe this is kind of misunderstood by people, but that's life. Sometimes you think that these people will be yours forever, but then it's not, and then you have to separate, and then you meet another people and you think the same love than before, and then you married or something, but different from any others. This girl, Elizabeth Taylor, brave enough, have a huge courage to say, if you want me, you have to marry me. No need to superficial flirts or something, or what, a boyfriend, girlfriend, or spouse. There's nothing like that. That's why it is not true that I like animal more than people, but they come a very close second. There is no bullshit about them. Well, I think just like every other big stars, sometimes actors or actor at that time are also lured into paparazzi or something, interview or press media that is press them out and be nice just to get something from them, I guess. I believe in life and I will fight for it. I believe you have to put up your dukes and fight. There can be no love without respect. She is one of a girl who respect herself, and that's why if you love her, no one respect you if you don't respect yourself. When I have fallen in love, it's always end up being a marrying kind of love. Like I told you, she is believe higher in marriage institution. Every day we need to tell someone we love them, touch them, thank them for being it's so important. Yes, you have to, if you have love for someone or something, just tell them. No need to repress it for yourself. I guess that's what Elizabeth trying to tell to us. You cannot have passion of any kind unless you have compassion. Be kind, and somehow you will know what you are passionate for. I've always been very aware of the inner me that has nothing to do with the physical me, Elizabeth Taylor. I told you before, she is a very hardworking person, and she is put it all of body and emotion to her works, but sometimes life is not what she wants, but she just keep doing it anyway. I like the connection with fans and people who have been supportive to me, and I love the idea of real feedback and the two-way street, which is very, very modern, Elizabeth Taylor. The idea of fan base is not new for Elizabeth Taylor, even though she is coming from 50s. She believed that she must listen to her fans or people that love her, and make and build herself by criticize from them. She's very nice person. That's why she got in a nice place in her life. Acting is fun. It's not my whole life. It's not my entire being. It's a secondary to my life. My life is primary. I am running in the primary, as you know. That's all for today. There is also several quotes of her that I'm not included here because too political. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.